Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Pooja Gupta and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. So it's day 11th of our SQL series and we are consistent with last 10 days. And thank you for being here. And let's continue with the SQL series. So let's moving forward to the next question of our SQL series. Okay. So today I start with the weather observation station 14 and the above question are the 13 and the station 2 and the all above question are I solved all are solved in my previous I solved in my previous video. So if you wanted to check that how I solved this video and if you are interested in the more SQL queries that you wanted to know that how to solve the SQL queries, so visit my previous videos and go and check all the things that how to do the optimization of the query and how to write the optimized queries. Okay, and let's continue with today's questions. So today question is first question is weather observation station 13. So let's continue. Okay, so for today the question is, okay, sorry, so query the sum of northern latitudes for station from stations having the values greater than this one and less than 137.2345. Okay, and also we have to truncate your answer in 4 decimals. Okay, so in this query we have to observe these things that first of all we have to truncate. So for this we will what we will use. Okay, so for this we will use here round function. Okay, and rather than this the sum of northern latitudes. Okay, so for this we will use the sum function. This is an aggregate function. I'll explain in my last second or third video, I think. Yeah, that what are the aggregate functions, and this is the round function. And also to having this, okay, we will use here AND operator and or the operation logic is kind of operation. Okay, and rather than and I also use between here, but between will but between will exclude my boundary, so I will limit with end function, so end operator. Okay, so let's continue to coding. Continue with the query. So on the query we will just select, we have to round first. So round will what we have to round, we round sum of what, northern latitude, and sum up to what, sum to 4 decimal places. Okay, now from where, from station. Okay, now station, what is the query, what are the requirements? So we have to sum the latitude from station where latitude is greater than what, is greater than 38.78845. This is a quiet thing we have to write. And now ready to run the code. And yeah, it's a congratulation and ready to submit the code. So it was giving us the right answer, and also the test case 0 was submitted and a congratulation banner is arrived here. Okay, now what we have to observe in this query. Okay, so this query is a quite simple when we know the particular functions we have to use. Okay, then for some what we have to use, for a rounding the decimal places what we have to use, also how to compare the things. Okay, when day by day we will increase our level. So also this is now a simple query, but also in the last video if you saw my, so we are also dealing with a triangle, that find whether the triangle is what. Okay, so at that time we were dealing with what, we were dealing with the if else statement, which are in the SQL case when and then. Okay, so when day by day our level will increase, we have to go prior, and we have to also expert of ourselves and expert, we have to develop our expertise. Okay, so this is the simple thing, and I think we have to understand this. Now continue with the next question. So the next question is like, query the largest value of northern latitude from station. Okay, so for the largest value we have to query. Okay, I will use marker here. Okay, for the largest value for a large northern latitude from station which is less than this, and truncate your answer in this. So here are the three things we have to use. Okay, for largest value what we use a max function. Okay, now also which is less than this, so to create or obtain a value which is less than this, what we have to use, we have to use a less than or greater than symbols. Okay, a comparison operators, you can say a comparison operator. And also to truncate the answer to the four decimal places, what we have to use a simple round function. So let's continue with the query. Select, we have to round, then what we do, max of what, max of latitude of north, and round it to the fourth, and after rounded from what, from station, and where the latitude value which is less than what, 137.1234.5. Okay, that's it, and ready to run the code. Select the round max greatest, sorry, syntax near this, latitude is less than, excuse me, I am mistaken here, from station where we have to put, where the latitude number is, latitude is less than this. So it's congratulations, we are getting the right answer, and the test case 0 is also passed, compile message success, and the congratulations bearer arrives here. Okay, so this is a quite simple, which is more simpler than last one. So I think I don't need to explain this query, it is easy to understand. Now continue with the next query. So it's weather observation 15. So the query says, query the longitude, western longitude, for the largest northern longitude. Okay, in station that is less than this one. Okay, so for the largest longitude which is, whose value is greater, which is less than this one, we have to find the, first of all we have to find the largest longitude value, northern longitude, which is less than this, and on the basis of this value we have to, for this latitude we have to find the longitude value, and also we have to use what, we have to use a four decimal places, it means round function. So let's continue with the query. First of all we have to round what, we have to round longitudinal western, and then the 4 from where, from station. So for this question I will use subqueries. If you understand the subquery, so it is quite easy for me to, where what, we have to find the longitude, maximum longitude. So where the latitude equals to, then again we have to bring it in a next query. So select max of latitude north, then max of latitude north, latitude of north from largest maximum, from where, station where latitude of north is what, is less than 137.2345. Okay, So this query is also good. In this query, what we have to do, first of all, we are using a subquery here. Okay, so according to question, we have to find a longitude value for the largest latitude, latitude, northern latitude, and the largest latitude, which is smaller than this. Okay, and then for this latitude we have to find a longitude and we have to round it to the 4 decimal places. This is what the query wants. Okay, now submit the code, and on submitting the code, the as usual it will compiler gives success message and congratulations binary run. So with this queries I am done for today's SQL series. If you have any doubt related to these 3 SQL queries, so please comment down. I I can sorry, what is this? Yeah, it's good. Sorry guys. So if you have any further doubt regarding these 3 queries, so please comment down. I will definitely reply you, and also I will understand and create a separate video on any topic regarding the SQL if you want to. So please comment down your doubts and any kind of video you want from me regarding the studies, that what kind of thing or any topic. So please, uh, this is enough for me for today. And okay, so this is done for today, and if you have any doubt, please comment down. And thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe my channel and videos. Bye bye.